Let's start with chapter number 4, the old green door back exercise. First question A. Choose the correct option to complete the sentences. First, Tom is 10 years old. Second, the students like to explore new places. Third, the students first heard a strange light coming from behind the door. Fourth, Jack was the slowest to flee the old green door. Fifth, Mr. Lee asked his students to help him in the store. Now, write the correct cardinal or ordinal number to complete each sentence. First, our school building has 3 floors. Second, our class is on the first floor of this building. Third, the art room is on the second floor. Fourth, the library is 2 floors above our classroom. Fifth, on which floor is the library? Is it on the third floor? Now, question B. Listen to and say these words aloud. Circle each word that has a silent letter and underline the silent letter. So, first one, knit. Second, climb. Third, early. Fourth, autumn. And fifth, Wednesday. Now, here choose the right option to explain the meaning of the highlighted words. Use a dictionary to check your answers. First one, if you'll bump into a table, here the answer will be you knock against it. Second, if you hear a crack of thunder, you hear a loud sound. Third, if one stamps on a sand castle, one crushes it with one's foot. Fourth, if you crush some ice, you break into tiny pieces. Fifth, if a window pane shatters, it breaks into many pieces. Sixth, if you snap a twig, you break it into 2 pieces. Seventh, if you squeal, you'd cry out loudly with joy or pain. Eighth, to crumble a slice of bread, one has to break it into small bits. Now, here in the B question, rewrite the sentences using personal pronouns in place of the highlighted words. One has been done for you. The first one, the elephant trumpeted loudly. The elephant was calling its friends. Here, in place of the elephant, it is used, it was calling its friends. Second, Sarma and Rao are good footballers. Sarma and Rao always score good scores. So, instead of Sarma and Rao, they will be used. Third, the cat ran quickly. The cat tried to run up the tree. Here, instead of the cat, it is used. The children got together. The children were practicing for a play. Instead of the children, they will be used. Then in the fifth sentence, Ravi is visiting Jay and Tia. Ravi will be staying with Jay and Tia tonight. Instead of Ravi, he is used, and instead of Jay and Tia, them will be used. Then sixth one, Surbi and Bordo wanted to go to the village fair. Surbi said, Father, please take Bordo and me to the fair. Instead of Bordo and me, us will be used. In question number C, you have to fill the blanks with demonstrative pronouns from the brackets given below. The first one, this is a scary story. Second, those are huge doors. Third, that is a mysterious message. Fourth, these are my friends. Fifth, this is a funny movie. Now we start with question number D. Look at the underlined words in each sentence and write DA if it is a demonstrative adjective or DP if it is a demonstrative pronoun. One has been done for you. First one, something strange happens behind that door. Here, that is demonstrative adjective. So we will write DA. Then second one, which one of those doors is knocked? Here, those is demonstrative adjective. In the third sentence, that green door is demonstrative pronoun. Here, that is demonstrative pronoun. Then fourth sentence, can you hear these sounds? Here, this is demonstrative adjective. Fifth one, this sounds like wolves and hyenas. Here, this is demonstrative adjective. In the sixth sentence, this is demonstrative adjective. In the seventh one, this is a mystery. This is a mystery. Here, this is demonstrative pronoun. Then, in the it sentence, this sound is not as frightening as the one I heard. Here, this is demonstrative adjective. Then, in the ninth sentence, can we run away through one of those corridors? Here, those is demonstrative adjective. Then, in the tenth sentence, no, those lead to the laboratories. Here, those is demonstrative pronoun. Now, time to listen. Listen to the words carefully and choose any 9 adjectives or pronouns from the table and write them on the given bingo card. Here, you can select any 9 adjectives or pronouns by your own and fill in the bingo card. Here, you can do it by your own also. In the bingo card, I have written these following adjectives: big, wee, helpful, new, our, short, damp, thick, and dusty.